For downloading CrazyGames SDK for your Unity, WebGL games, go to Browser and tap CrazyGames, below SDK option. Choose your game engine, in my case is Unity. You see the link above, click it. The download folder is in Unity package.html and is not going to work. So the workaround is rename it and delete the .html and be accepting it as .unity package. The engine will recognize it, and we can import it inside our game, and be going to Assets and Import Package. Look in his placement, then click. The docs told us to delete the Crazy Optimizers folder before importing it, so we don't import it and import everything else. After the importation inside Assets folder, we can see the Crazy SDK in all his folder. For Crazy Optimizer folder, we got it. Be downloading the WebGL Optimizer package in Unity Asset Store. Just tap WebGL Optimizer, put it inside my assets. Then from Package Manager you import it. For WebGL templates use 5.6 for Unity version 2019, and for higher version use the Crazy 2020 +E.